Friends, welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I'm super duper excited because this is one of my favorite brands, along with your Fenty and your Chantecaille. But I was super excited to do this topic. You all have asked me so many questions about Chanel. Can I do a haul? Can I recommend products from Chanel? Complexion, lipsticks, that kind of thing. Hopefully you would like, subscribe, and share. My name is Sean. My background is microbiology and biochemistry. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, we do Sean K's Beauty Bar. And I even do like vlog style videos when I get a chance on Saturdays. So I bring science to beauty, and I'm also a luxury YouTuber. Hopefully I got everything out there. So let's get into this because, oh my gosh, I'm super excited. So some of these are new products, repurchases, as well as products that have been out before at Chanel, and I'm just now getting to experience them. Yeah. The first thing I'm going to start with is the Chanel Universal Powder. I first saw this on Erin Nicole's channel. This is Erin Nicole, good friend of mine and also a luxury YouTuber. Please check out her channel. We're not doing a collaboration, but she's just a beautiful person to know. And this is the shade number 40. It's a little bit light, but I saw Andrea Renee do a video using this powder and she talked so highly about it. Now, I know that this is reformulated. The first formula, I heard everybody saying that it was great. I don't know what this one is like, so I can't even compare apples to oranges, so this would still be a first for me. But compared to the MAC Skin Finish, it's much lighter, if you all can see that. It's really light compared to this. However, my MAC is hitting pan. This is the only face powder that I have, the MAC Skin Finish. I also got number 70. This one is a lot darker, and I think the closest to the MAC Skin Finish. Now, I'll show you all. I got one off the Neiman Marcus sale, and then the other one I bought off Chanel's website. So this is the number 70, which, like I said, is closest to the MAC Skin Finish in Dark Deep. These have light scattering pigments on the inside, so it disguises imperfections. It goes on very sheer, it's very lightweight, and it allows for the blurring of any, minimizing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and blurring out any shine. So definitely, I would say check out this powder. It's highly recommended. A lot of people love it and talk about it, even the new formula. But I guess the OG was way better than this, but I'm excited to have it because I've had it on my wish list for a very long time. All right, now this foundation can withstand the most strenuous conditions, and that's what I love, because if you're a traveler, you know that one day it could be hot and the next day it could be really brisk cold. So you want a foundation that can hold up in the most strenuous of climates. And the Ultra Le Teint from Chanel is one that does that. It is a buildable foundation. It lasts 24 hours, but nobody's wearing it for 24 hours. And it has a pressed soft focus powder in the formulation. This also brings a luminosity to the skin. It also disguises imperfections. I really love that this glides on beautifully. It's very lightweight. You can apply it with a beauty blender or with a brush. And this is the beautiful Ultra Le Teint. This is my friend Carolyn's favorite foundation. It retails for $60. And there are 30 shades in this line. So I definitely say, check this out. I got a sample from my essay out of Miami, and I fell in love with the sample, and I wanted to purchase the full size. So that is the Ultra Le Teint, and I'm in shade BD 121 for anybody's reference if you're close to my skin tone. All right, now this is a very long wearing lippy, and I'm wearing it right now. And it's not matte, which you all, if you've been with me for a while, you know I'm a matte girl, but I'm not wearing a matte. You all asked me for like a lip gloss, a pigmented lip gloss. And the only thing I can think of is the Le Rouge Duo from Chanel. And this one is intense caramel. These are silicone based, so they're very comfortable on the lips. They're very hydrating and they last a very long time. The great thing about the Le Rouge Duo is that you're getting two products in one. So here is your pigment on one side and there is your lip gloss on the other. The lip gloss looks like an actual brush, so an applicator brush. And then you have a doe foot applicator for the lip pigment shade. I really love this. Other colors I would recommend is Merry Rose and Rosewood. Those are highly recommended. Intense Caramel is another one that is highly recommended. I really love this. This is the only one that I have. I really, really love how these look on. Now here's the disclaimer that's happening with Chanel. They're going up on their prices. These used to retail for $38. They're now $40. So they've done that with a number of products that I've seen, except the foundation. But they've also done that with their lipsticks. All of them now are like $40. Their lip balms are not $25 anymore. I think they're $30 now. You know, even their purses and stuff have gone up in price, and I'm sure it's due to COVID and just really, you know, trying to, you know, reap their losses while and if they can. All right, friends, we're going into the Rouge Allure Velvet Extreme line. This one is a new color. It is a part of the spring 2021 collection, and this is the only piece that I picked up because unfortunately, I wanted to get both the quads and they're only exclusive in Europe. If you do want to purchase them, I will leave Tavia's information below from Chic Profile. She's in Europe and she can purchase it for you and send it to you here in the United States. However, the price for that is going to be, I think it's like $100, but that's covering shipping and everything. But I didn't want to go through all of that. Chanel had the quads on their website, and then unfortunately they took them down and then they made them only exclusive to Europe. So that's what happened with that. But you know, it's unfortunate. COVID is doing a lot of things to a lot of people at the last minute. But I'm going to swatch this on the back of my hand so you all can see it. Forgive the other two colors that you'll see on the back of my hands too, because I pre-swatched them. But that is the beautiful pink Eclosion shade from the, I'll dip the lights. There you go, from the 2021 collection. So just imagine you had that shade and you're wearing it with, you know, a brown lip liner, burgundy lip liner. It's going to be beautiful, or even the Cliche from Chanel's fall 2020 collection. However, because I couldn't get my hands on the quads, even though this is not Chanel, I do want to show you all this one. This is number 879 from Dior. And I probably will do a dedicated video on this eyeshadow. It's this beautiful shade. And I probably will do a dedicated video on this one. So I did show one of these in my New Year's video. It is the Blue Cobalt from Chanel, what it looks like when it dries down. And here is the nose of it. It's just very long, and where this comes in handy is when you put on lashes and you really have to reach. The nose of this does a great job. You can also wear this beautifully on the lids. One of my subscribers, Silver, actually redid a look that I did for New Year's with this, and it looks amazing on her. And so I definitely say this is a really great product, and I loved it so much that I ended up getting another shade, Rouge Noir, because I really loved the Blue Cobalt. And I'm going to dip the light so you all can see that. It is like a browny purple shade, but when it first goes on, it looks more cranberry. So that's why I wanted to wait for things to dry down so you can really see what it looks like. All right, friends, so this next product is enriched with bioceramics and ceramides. And these help to strengthen the nails and help them to grow. And I wanted to show you all that this is pretty much one of the nail varnishes that or should I say nail varnish lines that I've defaulted to, and I'm not buying any nail varnish from anybody else because this is non-toxic. The scent is not overpowering. It lasts a very long time, and you're going to be pleasantly surprised with the full coverage application that you get from these nail varnishes than you do with any other one. So this is Rouge Poussin. I've showed this before. This is a beautiful red shade. And also, I wish I could show you Sailor, which is more like a orange red, but I've used it all up. So this is it on my nails. And then the other color that I got that's really, really new, I just got this the other day. It is not one that has been newly released with the spring collection. This one is Camellia 506. And what's funny is Chanel just showed this on their Instagram yesterday, which I thought was just like a sign that I needed to show it. So this is a beautiful pink shade. It's going to be exquisite for the spring. So if you're looking for a spring polish, this would be it. Imagine this on your toes, in your beautiful Dior or Hermes sandals, and or on your nails. So this is a repurchase. I've taken it out the box. This is the beautiful rosewood shade. Many, many months ago, when Carolyn recommended my first startup products to cross into Chanel, the rosewood blush was what she recommended, and I went ham with that rosewood, and that's why I had to repurchase another one. I use it on my lips, I use it on my eyes, I use it on my cheekbones. So very silky, very radiant, beautiful fragrance. However, if you're opposed to fragrance, this is not going to be your jam. It's not overpowering, it's not offensive, but I'm just letting you know. These retail for about $45, and Chanel recommends that you use a light color on the high points of your cheekbones to add that freshness and that radiance. And if you want to add depth and contour, you can go in with a deeper shade underneath the light shade. I haven't tried that. I'm going to try it. This is the beautiful rosewood. Hopefully you all can see that. It is stunning. And it looks fairly light in the pan, but when you put it on, friends, it's going to be so beautiful on your skin. Just for those who don't want the Velvet Extreme. And the Velvet Extreme is, that line is enriched with almond oil and sapwood and vitamin E. Really great antioxidants, really to help fight against the aggressors in the environment. It is a comfortable matte. It goes on beautifully. So I needed to let you all know that. And this one is Libre. This is hard to find, my friends. I went high and low for this shade. It's beautiful. It has a gold top. This is a very nude shade, and I love nudes. I'm going to swatch it right next to Complexion, which I just showed you all, and I will dip the light so you all can see it. That is it right here. So if you're looking for something luminous, I would say this is that. I wanted to say a thank you to Chanel for sending me out this lovely gift and invitation to their private access for their 2021 collection. I will be going to that. I will take you all with me here in New York. But this is the little gift that they sent to me. And for me, you know, it's the small things that can make the most noise. And I needed this on the day that I got it. I will tell you, it definitely did my heart good. I was having a rough day. But this is the Chanel number 5 that they have on the inside, a little sample. So that was really nice. This came with the invitation. And then I got a Chanel number 5 body cream. So let's just open that up. This is the first time I've seen something like this small. There we go. Aw. If you have any questions about anything that I showed here, definitely leave it down in the comment section below. I love you all. For the skincare questions, I'm going to tackle at least 5 or 6 of them in my next video. I feel like it's good to do a Q&A and really tackle them all in one video as opposed to separate videos. I don't know if some of the questions warrant a dedicated video, so that's why I'm doing it that way. And I'll be bringing my science to that. A lot of you have been asking me about hyaluronic acid. What if your face stings? You know, azelaic acid, mandelic, if I can revisit some of those topics that I've covered before, and I'll be happy to do that. So, yeah, we've got a lot to do in this week. I'm sorry I didn't post a couple days ago. It's just been, I'll talk to you guys after and let you know what's been going on with me. But be kind to yourself and to one another. Ciao for now.